Hello friend, very good morning. Welcome to Travel with Mr. Manik. So today I have come with a new video. So today I'll show you all my plants, how they are growing, they're doing well or not. So I have been taking care of them since long back ago, because of work pressure I'm not getting time to take care of them. But today I'll take care of them. Also I'll water them. I have to do so many things. I'll show you this. Begin. As you can see my plant condition, I am really super sad. You can see the plant, it's died. I don't know why, because of so much watering I think. And you can see this plant also, it's little damaged. And cactus plant, they are very healthy now. Also you can see the small baby plant, and you can see the Brahma Kamal also. The leaf is very dirty. I have to clean them properly. Just wait, I'll bring a cotton, then we'll clean it nicely. Come with a cotton. Also a bucket of water is there. So now we'll water them, we'll clean them properly. See a cotton, and we'll clean them properly. No one is there to hold the camera. No, it's little difficult to show the whole things, but I can manage, not an issue. No, how can I hold the camera and I can clean them properly? Now you can see I have kept my phone in a place and cleaning the dirts on the leaves. See, I have cleaned properly all the leaves. We should not leave the leaves like dirty. It's clean now. And see the plant now, it's totally glowing. You just see, it's amazing, after cleaning the leaves. And you can see the small baby plant here. No, it's growing nicely, but it's little dirty. I have to put compost. Let's tomorrow is Sunday. I'll buy compost and I'll give in every pot. You can say that's a basil plant. Basil plant. I mean, it's a medicinal plant. And aloe vera is there, but I don't know who break this. Oh, it's a category of grapes. You can see. I don't know why the leaves are dying and drying. I don't know. And you can see the money plant, and the baby money plant is coming here. The beauty plant, I don't know what's called this. You can use in a hanging pot, and you can hang like this in your roof, in your terrace, anywhere you want. And it's a baby plant coming out, and it's a cactus plant, you can see. And so many plants are there, I'll show you. You can see my grapes plant, it's called I called this grapes like angur ka plant. And you can see the other plants, it's blooming nicely. You just have a look nicely. Oh god, it's lovely. And the soil is little short. I think I have to put more soil. I have to little dig here. And one more plant was there, it was die. Oh god, where is the plant? Who took this from here? And finally you can see the small plant, it's not growing. I don't know why it's not growing, but it's growing nicely. Just see, one more plant is there, it's dry little. And here is the plant you wanna see. Just have a look, it's very beauty, cutie plant. It's also a hanging plant. You can hang somewhere in your terrace, in your garden, in your roof. That's also the same, but it's very hard. The leaves of the. You can see the thickness of leaves. Can you see? Oh, yes. See the thickness of the leaves. And here is a plant. It's called, if I don't know the plant name, if you know, please message me, please comment on this plant. And I have some more plants, I'll show you. 1 minute. Oh god, one plant was died. Why? See, the condition of plant. No, the problem is that no, in the work pressure, I'm not getting time to taking care of them properly. That's why they're dying. I have to take care of them. And I have a hanging fort. You can see the fort. It's totally bloom the plants, but the leaves are dry. See? I am putting water every day. I don't know why they are dying, why they are suffering. They should not die, no? See? It's a homemade hanging pot I have made myself with the small plastic pot. I have put the cable over there, you can see, and hang in that way like it should look like a hanging pot. And see, one more plant is there. It's the same as that. Look at the leaves. The color of leaves, it's really looking gorgeous, you know. So I have one more baby plant that I wanna show you. It's called adenium. You can see that's the plant I have planted. Look, I put it a little seeds, but now you can see it's grown up. It's coming out. The leaves are coming out. Once it's grown, no, I'll give you the update. More plants. You can see, and this one is also little dirty. You can see the newly leaves, it's coming out. It's the color of the leaves. Oh god, it's golden green. look at this plant, it's also little dirty. What I will do, I'll clean all of my plants and I'll water them. Some fungus is there in my plant, so I have to put some medicine also. I'll show you that. See how dirty the leaves are. So that's the cotton. I've soaked in water and I have to clean them like this. If you clean properly, the leaves will grow nicely, the plant will grow nicely. Oh, I feel very happy to take care of my plant. Like they're as a baby, they're baby for me, no? No, if you don't take care of your plant like a baby, they will die. So you can see now after cleaning, it's glowing. You see? Have a look. Nice, no? One more plant is there. I feel very happy to take care of them. In every weekend, I used to take care of them, but daily I used to water. It's summer. It's glazing here. Thank you. One more plant is there. Yeah, that need to clean. Now it's done. Now I will water every plant. Then we'll put medicine. I don't have compost right now, so tomorrow I will buy compost and give little compost in every plant. I have to give because they are not getting proper protein and proper vitamin to grow up. In this pot water is there, so we'll not add more water. See, little water you have to give, not too much, only little water because I am putting water every day, no? So little water is enough, like some water is enough for the plants. You can see in this money plant water is there, so we'll give only little water. You can see the baby plant. If I put water on top, no, it will come down from there. See, it's coming down. If I put more, no, if I give more water, it will come down. So no need to give in this pot. You can see, hey, lovely, no? I got satisfaction to care them. See, hey, what is this? It's a plant, I don't know. Oh, finally it's time to give water to my hanging pot. You can see the shower of water. No, if I put there, no. So if I give water, it will come down like this. Like it's raining. It's raining or what? Just before some time we clean the leaves, no. So we should water a little. And I have to dig the soil. See. No, it's really soft, so no need to dig now. If it's hard, no, do dig some time. The watering is done, so we have to put medicine. I mean, for this fungus, sometimes it's infected by fungus, and so I have a bottle of 7 up. It's not a 7 up, it's a 7 up bottle, but inside that, no, neem oil is there. So we'll spray neem oil for all plants, that they can not affect from fungus. See? So like that we have to spray in every plant. See? All work done. Now you can see the plants. In this way I used to take care of my old plants every weekend. So if you are a plant lover, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon that you won't miss any of my video. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.